I'm Evangeline Asher Malik, mother of Ariana. As I think you have noticed a small cloud here. Like when there was a skit, she was still dancing. However, she has to say a dialogue, but then she was still dancing because she loves dancing. Before I start sharing my experience, I would like to say a big thank you to Songbird for organizing such a great event. Can we give a big hand to them? That we can see all the kids, our children, to perform well with full confidence, and I'm really thankful. Secondly, I'm thankful to Songbird for providing me this opportunity to share the experience that I'm having or enjoying through Ariana. And when Ms. Sudeshna asked me to say or like share the experience, so this morning I was wondering that what part brought me or brought us to get Ariana admitted in Songbird. As in our family, there was no concept of like a child going to a preschool or any Montessori school. Ariana was born in September 2015. In December 2015, we found that she's having a profound permanent hearing loss. I'm sorry. The audiologist and speech therapist said that she can go to normal school, she can share the normal experience like with every other kid. So at that time, it was such a heartbroken situation for us as a parents, as a family, and the whole focus was to reduce or to avoid the speech delay. And we were working hard, we were praying, but she was visiting the speech therapies with the speech specialist, and they were saying that she is not accomplishing her milestones as with her age. And she was 18 months old when I was eagerly waiting for her to say mama to me, but we never heard that part. When she turned 2, again, we started struggling hard, what to do with her, how we can improve her speech. But when she turned like 2.5 years old, we decided that we should admit her in a school where she can interact with other kids so that she can enhance her speech and communicational skills. Then my aunt and uncle, they suggested us for Songbird as their neighbor's son is going Songbird. So we came here, we found a very welcoming and warm-hearted staff. Thank you so much for that. And after that, when she got admitted, she was 3 years old. And our family doctor always makes fun of us, like they say that you guys have, because she's our first child, so they said that you guys have first child syndrome problem. Like if something happens to her, you just run always here. So for the every little thing, I was just calling Ms. Sudeshna, to the teachers, Ms. Chris, Ms. Jazz, that is she doing well? Like we haven't heard anything from her. There are no words, like what's going on. So they said that, it is gonna come with time because she just got admitted in September and she will take some time to build up a relationship with the teachers, with her classmates, with her group mates, with her friends. And that's when you will see the words coming clearer. And it's like, praise to God that in the second semester, you can say, or the other half, in the next 6 months, the words got clearer. And we have seen those words turning into phrases, and now she can have a conversation. So again, a big hand to Songbird. Me and my best half, Asher, we both say thank you because you guys have played a big role in our child's speech development. Thank you so much for that. She's becoming more independent every single day. It's like everything is like, Mama, I want to do that. I want to do that. And And now when I hear that mama or mommy, you can imagine like how I feel. We have so far encouraged, and again, thankful to Songbird for arranging different kind of activities, like the last concert, which was at Christmas time. We really enjoyed. After that, there was Mother's Day, Father's Day, Grandparents' Day, and all these activities, when I personally experienced, I felt that yes, this builds up or boosts up the confidence in the child. So thank you so much for making Ariana a confident kid. Keep shining, and I know that 2019 is going to be yours again. Thank you so much.